If you faced foreclosure, you're probably wondering when you can start fresh with a new home. While foreclosure can impact your ability to secure a mortgage, it doesn't mean homeownership is out of reach forever. Typically, lenders require a waiting period before considering your application for a new mortgage. This waiting period varies depending on factors like the type of loan you're seeking and your financial circumstances. For most conventional loans, the waiting period is around 7 years, but it can be shorter for FHA or VA loans, sometimes as little as 3 years. During this time, focus on rebuilding your credit and improving your financial stability. Pay bills on time, keep credit card balances low, and work towards saving for a down payment. When the waiting period is over, reach out to mortgage lenders who specialize in working with individuals who have experienced foreclosure. They can guide you through the process and help you find the best options for your situation. Remember, home ownership is still within your reach. Stay determined, stay focused on your goals, and take steps towards a brighter financial future.